Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discussing about history of Indian newspaper. In that particular series of video, next video will discuss about Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper. Okay, in the history of Indian newspaper, next newspaper will be named as Kavi Vachana Sudha. Sudha is the newspaper. Okay, what is the name of the newspaper? Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper. Right? Who is the founder? Founder of Kavi Vachana Sudha means Bharatendu Harishchandra. Who is the founder here? Bharatendu Harishchandra is the founder of Kavi Vachana Sudha. Right? When it is founded means when it is founded or in which year it is founded? It is founded in 1868. Okay, so in which year it is founded? 1868, and founder is Bharatendu Harishchandra, and the newspaper name is Kavi Vachana Sudha is the newspaper. Right? And next an editor. Next who is the editor of this Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper means again Bharatendu Harishchandra is the editor as well as the founder. Who is the founder of Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper means both editor as well as the founder is who is Bharatendu Harishchandra. Bharatendu Harishchandra is the founder as well as the editor of Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper. Right? Language. In which language it is published means we can say in Hindi language. In which it is language it is published in Hindi language. Correct? Hindi language it will be published. Okay, type. What is type is there? What is type? Whether it is a monthly or a weekly or a daily newspaper means it will be weekly and monthly. So what kind of newspaper it is there? Kavi Vachana Sudha is the newspaper name, and founder Bharatendu Harishchandra. Founded 1868, and editor Bharatendu Harishchandra, and in which language it is published means it will be the Hindi language, and when means what daily or weekly or monthly means it will be the monthly as well as the weekly publishing newspaper. It is a weekly as well as the monthly publication of this Kavi Vachana Sudha. So about which topic they will cover in their newspaper means basically they will cover two topics. One is Hindi literature. One is what? Hindi literature. And another is what? Hindi journalism. Okay, so basically they will publish two topics. One is Hindi literature as well as the Hindi journalism. In this newspaper, which is Kavi Vachana Sudha is the Indian newspaper that is founded by Bharatendu Harishchandra. Founded in which year? In 1868. Editor Bharatendu Harishchandra, and language Hindi. Type is weekly as well as the monthly publication is there, and about Hindi literature as well as the Hindi journalism they will publish in their newspaper. About this is which kind of newspaper it is there? This is a Kavi Vachana Sudha newspaper, and this is the information of this Kavi Vachana Sudha. So next video we will discuss about next newspaper of Indian history. So until that you can stay tuned with our channel, and you can search in our playlist or you can search in our YouTube channel. You will get all kind of videos. So share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.